Over 15% of the gas Americans pump every single day is quietly damaging their engines, and most drivers have absolutely no idea it's happening. Not because they're doing anything wrong, but because some stations you trust are cutting corners behind the scenes. And today, I'm not just naming names, I'm giving you the list mechanics actually whisper to each other when customers aren't around. Stay with me, because the last two stations will genuinely shock you, and the top stations at the end might just save your engine. Let's get into it. Never fill up here again. Number 11. Arco. Cheap? Yes. Safe for your engine long term? Absolutely not. Arco fuel doesn't meet top-tier detergent standards, which means the exact chemicals that keep injectors, valves, and pistons clean just aren't there. Drivers loyal to Arco often start noticing rough idling, hesitation, weaker acceleration, but by the time they notice, carbon has already built up. Even worse, many Arco locations sit in low-turnover areas. When fuel sits underground too long, water and sediment settle, and once that gets pulled into your tank, your injectors won't forgive you. So the few cents you save now, they come back as hundreds of dollars in repairs later. Number 10. Loves. A favorite for truckers, not for your daily driver. Their gasoline lags behind in detergents, so every fill-up is like slowly painting the inside of your engine with sticky carbon. Mechanics see it all the time: rough idling, stumbling acceleration, poor mileage. And because the stations are built around diesel traffic, their gas tanks don't cycle fuel fast enough. When gasoline sits too long, it degrades. Water sneaks in, sediment builds, and your car ends up paying the price. Number 9. Speedway. Over 3,000 bright, friendly locations, but not top tier. And here's the catch. Speedway pulls fuel from mixed suppliers, so you never know if today's gas is good, mediocre, or bad. Engines running Speedway gas long-term show the same pattern: sluggish throttle, carbon-packed valves, and worse mileage you can feel in your wallet. There's also history here. Some stations were caught selling fuel contaminated with water after heavy rains. Cars sputtered a mile from the station. Some didn't start at all. It doesn't take much water to ruin a fuel pump. Number 8. 7-Eleven. A massive brand, but inconsistent fuel. 7-Eleven doesn't refine their own gasoline. They buy whatever is cheapest that week. One station might be fine. The one across the street could wreck your injectors. Mechanics regularly see engines fueled at 7-Eleven with rough idling, knocking, or bad mileage. Some state inspections even caught locations pumping fuel with ethanol levels higher than what most cars can safely handle. That's not a small oversight. That's sensor, pump, and injector damage waiting to happen. Number 7. Circle K. This one fools a lot of people. Huge brand, clean stations, familiar logo, but the fuel quality is unpredictable. Like 7-Eleven, Circle K buys from the cheapest supplier available. Engines running long-term on Circle K fuel often show sticky injectors, carbon buildup on valves, and intermittent misfires. And water contamination? It's happened multiple times across multiple states. One bad tank is all it takes to shut your engine down in traffic. Number 6. Murphy USA. Usually found right outside Walmart, convenient, cheap, and weak on detergents. When stations chase rock-bottom prices, additives are the first thing sacrificed. That means every fill-up quietly adds more carbon to your engine. State tests have found inconsistent ethanol content and low detergents, a combination that eats away at fuel systems and confuses sensors. And yes, they've also had water contamination incidents, more than once. It's a gamble you don't want to take. Number 5. Valero. Not consistently top tier and not consistently reliable. Some Valero stations serve decent fuel. Others barely meet legal minimums. Low turnover locations are the worst. Stale fuel with fluctuating ethanol levels can cause misfires, hesitation, and clogged filters. Valero looks premium. The fuel doesn't always act like it. Number 4. BP. A big, trusted brand with detergent levels that often fall short. BP used to be known as a high-quality choice, but many stations today don't meet top-tier standards. Mechanics see carbon buildup, rough idling, and poor mileage from cars running BP long-term, especially city-driven cars that never fully burn off deposits. Inconsistent ethanol levels don't help either. They can confuse sensors and make spark plugs foul out faster. Number 3. Citgo. This one has one of the highest complaint rates in the country. Ethanol content swings above safe limits, sediment buildup in older tanks, and weak detergents, a triple threat for modern engines. Mechanics report hesitation, stumbling under load, and hard starts in cars running sit-go consistently. One tank might be okay, 3 months of it and the damage is already happening. Number 2. Sunoco. A name people assume means quality, but many Sunoco stations struggle with inconsistent ethanol content and sediment in older tanks. A lot of locations aren't top-tier certified, which means your engine gets less cleaning protection than it needs. Modern engines, especially turbos and direct injection, suffer fast from this kind of fuel. Number 1. Pilot Flying J. The worst for regular cars. Excellent for truckers, terrible for gasoline vehicles. Gasoline doesn't move fast at these stations, diesel does, so gasoline sits. And when gas sits, water settles at the bottom of the tank. That water ends up in your car. Over time, it destroys fuel pumps, fouls injectors, and makes engines misfire under load. Low detergents, inconsistent quality, and even higher sulfur traces in some samples make Pilot Flying J the worst place to fill a passenger car. But now, the good news. Let's talk about the stations mechanics actually recommend. Number 5. Exxon or SL. Top-tier certified, stable ethanol content, high turnover, and consistent quality. Their detergent package keeps injectors and valves cleaner than budget brands ever will. Number 4. Shell. Shell's nitrogen-enriched additives actually remove existing deposits while preventing new ones. Consistent fuel, high turnover, cleaner engines. Anyone driving a turbo or direct injection engine will notice smoother acceleration almost immediately. Number 3. Costco. Surprised? Don't be. Kirkland Fuel is top tier and their crazy high traffic means the gas is always fresh. Mechanics love Costco because its quality matches expensive brands without the price tag. Number 2. Mobil. Mobil's Synergy formula is phenomenal for cleaning valves and injectors. Stable ethanol levels, well-maintained stations, and excellent detergent packages make it a top choice for any modern engine. Number 1. Chevron. Techron isn't marketing hype. It's one of the most effective detergents ever added to gasoline. Chevron consistently scores among the highest detergent levels in the industry. Engines running Chevron stay cleaner, perform better, and last longer. If you want your car to idle smoother, accelerate cleaner, and maintain fuel economy, Chevron is the best place to fill up. But here's the twist. Choosing the right gas station is only half the battle. The real traps, the ones that quietly drain your wallet, happen at the pump long before you even squeeze the trigger. Gas stations use psychological tricks, pricing traps, and pump layout secrets to make you spend more every time you fill up. And once you see how they work, you'll never fall for them again. Tap the video below to learn the biggest fuel pump secrets gas stations hope you never discover.